Sakthi Dental Clinic Mullukurichi. BPS, Biofunctional Prosthetic System, Complete Denture is a specialized type of complete denture that is designed to provide optimal fit, function, and aesthetics for individuals who require full denture replacements. BPS dentures are created using a specific set of techniques and materials to ensure high-quality results. Here are some key points about BPS Complete Dentures. 1. Comprehensive assessment. Before creating BPS dentures, the dentist or prosthodontist conducts a thorough assessment of the patient's oral health, including the condition of the gums, underlying bone structure, and overall oral anatomy. This evaluation helps determine the optimal treatment plan and ensures that the dentures are tailored to the individual's specific needs. 2. Precision impression technique. BPS dentures utilize an advanced impression technique to capture accurate and detailed impressions of the oral tissues. This technique ensures that the dentures fit securely and comfortably in the mouth, providing stability and reducing the risk of slippage or discomfort. 3. Premium materials. BPS dentures are fabricated using high-quality materials that are designed to closely mimic the natural appearance of gum tissue and teeth. These materials are durable, stain-resistant, and biocompatible, ensuring long-term aesthetics and functionality. 4. Artistic and functional considerations. BPS dentures take into account the patient's facial characteristics, bite alignment, and speech patterns. The dentures are customized to provide a natural-looking smile and restore proper chewing and speaking abilities. 5. Collaboration with dental laboratory. BPS dentures are typically created in collaboration with a specialized dental laboratory that follows the BPS principles and protocols. This collaboration ensures that the dentures are crafted with precision and attention to detail. 6. Trial and adjustment. After the initial fabrication of the dentures, the patient undergoes a trial phase. This allows the dentist to assess the fit, function, and aesthetics of the dentures. Any necessary adjustments or refinements are made to ensure optimal comfort and performance. 7. Follow-up care. Regular follow-up visits are essential for monitoring the fit and condition of the BPS dentures. These visits provide an opportunity for the dentist to address any concerns, make necessary adjustments, and maintain the long-term health of the dentures. BPS Complete Dentures are known for their superior fit, function, and aesthetics compared to traditional dentures. They are designed to provide enhanced stability, chewing efficiency, and overall comfort for individuals who have lost all of their natural teeth. If you are considering BPS Complete Dentures, it is best to consult with a qualified dentist or prosthodontist who can evaluate your specific oral health needs and determine if BPS dentures are the right option for you. They will guide you through the treatment process, provide personalized recommendations, and help you achieve a confident and functional smile. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.